All right, back for another deep dive. And this time, we're wading into the world of Injective Protocol. Specifically, their native token, INJ. You guys sent in a ton of research on this one, so seems like you're hungry for more than just what is it?
Yeah, the sources definitely hint at wanting the why. Why is Injective turning heads, especially in the decentralized exchange space? A
Yeah.
lot of those popping up.
Right, not just what it does, but why it matters.
Yeah.
And okay, one thing that pops out from all this material, Injective is aiming to be the high-speed DX, like
Yeah.
25,000 transactions per second. That's the figure I keep seeing.
It's interesting, right? That speed is unheard of on a lot of blockchains, especially as they get more users. Picture this. You're trying to make a trade, and you're stuck waiting hours for it to go through. Nightmare. That's the reality on some platforms, but Injective, built on that Cosmos SDK, uses this thing called Tendermint consensus, which basically allows for near-instant trading.
So instead of sending a telegram, it's like, we're in the age of texting now. Text got to keep up.
Precisely.
And the INJ token, it's like the fuel for this whole thing.
Right.
But it's not just for like paying fees, right? It's got all these different roles.
You've hit on a crucial design element. Injective isn't just about basic utility. They want to incentivize holding INJ. So you've got governance rights, staking rewards, even discounts on trading fees. It's all about getting people involved, invested in the platform's success.
Okay, so kind of like those frequent flyer miles.
Yeah.
But instead of just a free flight, you've got actual value and a say in how things are run.
Correct.
Clever.
Exactly.
And this whole cross-chain trading thing, what's the big deal with Injective bridging different blockchains?
So imagine you want to trade assets from different blockchains. Right now, you often have to go through centralized exchanges. Injective says, nope. They're building the tools to let you do that directly, making it as easy as possible.
No more jumping through hoops just to move your own stuff around. Gotcha.
Right, exact.
And speaking of sophisticated trading, Injective's getting into things like perpetual futures, tokenized indices, stuff that's, honestly, a bit over my head sometimes. What's the appeal there?
It's about democratizing these financial tools.
Mm-hmm.
Perpetual futures, for example, they let you kind of leverage your bet on whether an asset's price will go up or down. And then tokenized indices, those bundle up different assets, kind of like a stock index fund. Injective is making those accessible to everyone.
So tools that used to be for the Wall Street guys, now anyone can take a crack at them.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. And are people actually using this? I mean,
Right.
the numbers I've seen, $40 billion traded on Injective.
It's huge. That volume shows there's real interest in what they're building, especially with tokenized real-world assets, the RWAs. That's a hot space.
RWAs, right. It's like breaking the gap between like traditional finance and the blockchain world.
Exactly. Stocks, bonds, even real estate. Injective is figuring out how to tokenize it all, bring it onto the blockchain.
Wait, hold on. Tokenized real estate. Like I could own a tiny piece of a building through the blockchain.
That's the idea, and Injective is making it easier. They're putting in these fiat on-ramps so you can move your traditional money in easily. They're building partnerships to make RWA trading smoother for everyone.
So they're thinking about the whole user experience, not
Mhm.
just like, here's the tech, good luck.
And it seems to be working. They've got Binance backing them, Mark Cuban's invested, the community's massive. That means something in the crypto world.
Yeah, it's like a vote of confidence, right? So big picture Injectives, this high-speed gigs, trying to bring traditional finance onto the blockchain with a token that does it all. Bold stuff.
And it begs the question, if this level of adoption, this tech, if it keeps growing, is Injective a glimpse into the future of finance? Like, are decentralized platforms the way forward?
Things to think about. You heard it here first, folks. Make sure you do your own research, and we'll see you in the next deep dive.